Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we uncover the hidden gems of beauty. Did you know most people only use a tiny bit of their beauty potential? It's true. Many of us are unaware of the simple yet effective techniques that can transform our look. We all have this amazing power to glow up, but we don't always know how. The secret lies in understanding and embracing the right beauty routines. That's what I'm here for, to guide you through this fascinating world of beauty and self-care. I'm going to share some fun secrets to help you shine. From skincare to makeup, these tips will enhance your natural beauty. These tips are easy and really work. You don't need to be a beauty expert to follow them. Want to know the best part? These tips are not only effective, but also affordable and accessible. I have a super special tip I'm saving for the very end. It's a game changer. This one tip can revolutionize your beauty routine. So are you ready to glow up? Let's get started. Stay tuned and prepare to be amazed by the transformation. The truth is, beauty isn't about being perfect. It's about feeling good in your own skin. When you feel confident and happy, you radiate beauty. It's like an inner light that shines through. My special tip at the end is all about boosting your inner glow. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. But first, let's dive into some simple beauty secrets you can start using today. Ready for some easy beauty wins? Here we go. These tips are simple yet incredibly effective and can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. First up, water. It's like magic for your skin. Drink plenty of water every day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Adding a slice of lemon can make it more refreshing and add a boost of vitamin C. Next, sleep. Beauty sleep is real. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to let your body and skin rejuvenate. A good night's sleep helps reduce dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. Create a calming bedtime routine to help you unwind. And don't forget, sunscreen. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're outdoors or swimming. Sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging and skin damage. Section 4. What works for you? We all have unique beauty. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's okay. Think about your skin and what it needs. Experiment with different products and routines until you find what makes you feel amazing. Have you tried any of these tips before? What are your favorite ways to glow up? Share your thoughts in the comments. Section 5. My special tip. Drumroll please. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Here's my special tip for unleashing your inner beauty kindness. That's right. It's not just about the products you use or the clothes you wear. Being kind to yourself and others is the ultimate beauty secret. When you practice kindness, you create a positive energy that surrounds you. When you're kind, you feel good about yourself. This inner peace and happiness reflect on your face, making you look radiant. And when you feel good, you radiate beauty from the inside out. Confidence and joy become your natural accessories. So go out there and spread some kindness. Whether it's a smile, a helping hand, or a kind word, every act of kindness counts. It's the most beautiful thing you can do. Your kindness can inspire others and create a ripple effect of positivity. Thanks for reading, and remember to always shine bright. Your inner beauty is your greatest asset, so let it shine through every act of kindness.